lovelies, and welcome back. I hope you're having a wonderful day. And here is today's feature comment. Catherine was the first to comment on my last video, so thank you, Catherine. So make sure that you get here early, guys, because of course you will be featured in my upcoming videos. So today we are going to be playing with the new pink Saviland Polygel kit. So I know that I've done the green one, but we're going to try the pink one now. So this, I didn't buy the full kit. I only bought the polygels because I have so many kits, but here is the kit on the screen now. But I have so many kits that I didn't want to buy for like base coat and top coat and all that stuff. But if you buy this as a kit, you will get everything that you need to do a full set. But we are going to look at the swatches now. So there are two cat eye gels, polygels in this kit, this pink one, silvery and wine red. I did do a swatch and I had a little play with the magnet, and you can see the shift in it, but I didn't use the cat eye gels today. I plan to do another set with those cat eye gels in the future, but we use the other 4 colours. So in total this kit comes with 7 colours, I believe it is, and 1 is a clear, but I didn't use the clear today. And like I said, I didn't buy the full kit, I only bought the polygels. So we are going to try them out. But also, guys, I would like to say that I am now a brand ambassador for Saviland, and if you shop on their official site, I will leave a link down in the description box below. When you go to checkout, if you use the code SWALESNAILS, I will put the clip into the actual video here, you will get 15% off of your order. So yeah, that is absolutely fab. I'm so excited, and thank you, Saviland, for this opportunity. It's absolutely brilliant. This is what I've been working towards, you know, guys. I wanted to get codes for you guys and give back, because you guys have given me so much by just watching my videos and subscribing to me and all your lovely comments. So yeah, I'm really pleased that I get to give you guys something back. So it has been a long day today, and I recorded this, well, when this goes up, it's going up on like tomorrow, and I recorded this at like 12 a.m. It was midnight. It is now 1:30 and I'm just doing the voiceover, but I wanted to make sure that I got a video out for you guys for Saturday. So we do use the Lazy Girl method by Femi Beauty, just because it's been a long day and I'm tired, but like I don't want to let you guys down. So Sunday is for rest, is basically, yeah. So it's a quick video, but it's a really nice set. I was really happy with how these turned out. So the pinky, I went in with the base coat, and then I pressed into the wet base coat. Before curing, I pressed in some sequins that I got off of AliExpress. Like I said, I will link everything down below in the description box. I cured for 10 seconds, and then I went in with that number 13, sort of like pink nude. I think it's a pink nude. It's pink colour, and it covered the entire nail with that pink nude. So this one is soft, but it isn't sticky. This one, I didn't actually have to dip my brush that much at all. So yeah, by the way, you might hear my son talking. He had a nap earlier and woke up, and I'm having a nightmare trying to get him back to sleep. So he's watching his iPad whilst I do the voiceover. Oh gosh. So yeah, once I had covered the nail with that pink colour, I then placed it onto my nail, stuck it in the lamp and cured for 30 seconds. And then I moved on to the next nail. These polygels were nothing like the green ones. These ones did cure. They were a little sticky, but they were workable. But my flat is hot today. We've had like this weird weather in Wales. We've had thunderstorms. We've had heavy rain. Like today, I'm not even joking, it was like heavy rain to the point where I stopped driving and sat outside my mum's until the rain calmed down a bit, and then it would stop, and then it would come back, and it's been on and off like a light switch all day, and it's been driving me insane. But because of all this rain, it's because we've had hot weather. So yeah, it's very hot in the flat. I've actually took my fan off just to do the voiceover, but I'll be putting it back on in a bit. So that might be why the polygels are a little sticky. But so, a few people did suggest putting them in the fridge, so I'm going to try that for the next kit that I have coming. So moving on to the ring finger, I done an ombre of that white highlighter glitter, and this one is stunning. Like, it looks like the Pearlescent Mermaid Makartt polygel that I reviewed last week or the week before, and yeah, it was stunning. Look at that, that's absolutely beautiful in my opinion. So we then went in with some base coat onto the nail bed area here. I pressed some more sequins into the wet gel, and then I cured for 10 seconds, and then I put the pink nude over the top and pushed onto my nail. I just basically alternated between each colour and stuff like that. And I had loads of fun doing this set, even though I was tired, but I love doing nails regardless. But I will add as well, guys, when my kids do start going back to school now, everything's going to be going back to normal, and I'm going to have less time to do as many videos. So I will be uploading twice a week, and instead of 4 times a week. So it would be on a Wednesday and a Saturday. My new uploading schedule will be, but if I have time to do an extra upload through the week, I will do so, which will probably be like on a Monday or something, depending. But I will let you guys know. We'll see how it goes, because obviously I've been recording through this like big gap where we've all been stuck inside with nothing to do. So that's why I've been able to upload as many videos as I have. So yeah, it will be going to 2 to 3 videos now next week or the week after. We'll see. It's because obviously I gotta get back into routines with the kids, and we've got a lot of stuff to do before school starts and everything else. So yeah. So now back to the nails, because I've spoken enough about me. The next finger, well, I pressed this one onto my finger. I cleaned up around the edges if any of the polygel did come out. Remember, guys, because this is the lazy girl method. I always call it lazy tip method. I mean lazy girl method. Sorry, and my apologies. You don't take the nail tip off. You leave it on. You don't take it off. And it just adds more structure, and it actually is really easy, and you don't have to file as much. And basically, this is great for beginners. Beginners. What the hell's that? So I now go in with that pink and red glitter polygels. I wasn't sure if they were going to look the same, so I decided to do an ombre of each, like going up the nail, or like ombre them both. And there is difference. The red is a little darker, but it's like a red pink, but still they're stunning colours, and they do all work fine. Like I said, they all cured, so I think that maybe the green batch was just a bad batch. But yeah, I done this to all of the nails, and then I done a full cure in my lamp for 60 seconds just to make sure everything was cured, but they were all cured after 30 seconds, so that's great. Also, make sure you stay tuned, guys, because I've made some fabulous new nail tuber friends. I will put their channels in the video here, and I will link them down below. They are absolutely brilliant. I have been posting on my Instagram story about them. You should follow me, by the way, because, you know, I post on there regularly. Plugging in my Instagram there, sorry. But yeah, we have collabs and stuff coming up very soon, and they are 2 amazing girls, and I can't wait to do our collabs. So stay tuned for the next couple of weeks, because we have some exciting stuff coming your way. So go and check out their channels as well, because they're absolutely brilliant. But anyway, guys, I'm going to put some music on now whilst we finish off the thumb. I do pretty much the same on that I done on the pinky and the filing, and I will be back when we start to do some bling and the top coat. So I'll see you guys in a second. I'm back, guys. Hello. So you just see me buff away all of the shine and stuff like that, and now I'm going to use my Makartt rhinestone glue. By the way, guess what else I'm an ambassador of now? Makartt. So I will leave my affiliate link and my code down in the description box below, but basically now that I'm an ambassador, I do get an affiliate link, and if you click that, I do get a little help. I do get a little bit back if you use my affiliate link to shop, and I also have a 15% off code that you guys can use on the official Makartt website. So all these new things and great things are coming our way, and I'm so grateful, guys. I know I've said this in the beginning of the video, but I'm super grateful. You guys are amazing, and I'm just overwhelmed by how amazing you guys are, and we're so close to 1,000 subscribers as well. It's unreal. I think it's at 905 already now as we speak, and I'm just like, you know, when you have no words. I have no words, but thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. It really does mean a lot to me. So yeah. So we just pressed some, I have these like little skull rhinestones I've been dying to use, and some little bows, so I decided to put them on this set, and some purple roses and some little rhinestones. I used the Makartt rhinestone glue. I cured for 30 seconds in my nail lamp, and then I went in with the top coat. I also top coated underneath the nails, just because polygel without a top coat, like, things can like adhere to it and stick to it, and you don't want that. So it's just like that extra protection. Then I used some cuticle oil, and this is the final result, guys. So I know I've babbled a lot in this video, but I hope you enjoyed. I'm sorry it was really short and simple, but I enjoyed doing the set, like I said, even though I was tired. But if you did like, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, because we are so close to 1k subscribers, guys. Wow, seriously. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below, guys. I always love your feedback, and always love to hear what you have, like, what you think and stuff like that. Don't forget to follow me on IG, on Instagram at swalesnails_beauty, and tag me in your creations. Everyone, I hope you're staying safe, keep on smiling, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.